नमन 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 सिंह नमन सिंह हेलो नमन सिंह
Sir, he is having some network issue.
This is the excuse always by one of anyone student generally makes this type of excuse. Network problem, network problem.
No, sir. So he messages us.
Sir, he
About
messaged in the group that he is having some network issue. His mic is not getting on.
तो माइक में नेटवर्क इशू होता है या नेटवर्क इशू होगा तो सभी चीज में होगा ना? वो सुन रहा है मेरी आवाज?
नो सर, उसका नहीं, उसको केवल वो दिखाई दे रहा था।
क्या दिखाई दे रहा है?
सर, उसके में कोई और ज्वाइन ही नहीं हो रहा है, केवल नमन का ही अकेला ज्वाइन हो रहा है।
चलिए, हाँ, ये समस्या आप लोगों की है, नॉट प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू मी. So let me, if I was asking that is anybody having problem related to the concept of sustainable developments, which I covered in the previous class?
No, sir.
Okay.
no, sir.
So I will just share the concept of the screen related to the concept of the carrying capacity, and then I will be discussing about the carrying capacity based development, which is quite interrelated with the sustainable development. If the carrying capacity is lost of any ecosystem, then we cannot hope or think about the sustainable development in that particular ecosystem. And if you speak or say that sustainable development is taking place, it means carrying capacity of the ecosystem is okay. So let me share, and then I will explain through the diagram, rough sketch. And हमारी क्लास है यहाँ, ये लेते जाइएगा, वो दे दीजिए. I think screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So if you look towards the graph between the time and consumption, then you find what is the meaning of the carrying capacity of any ecosystem. And if you define, it is the maximum population size of a species that the environment can sustain positively, means you can say sustainability. And if you look towards this diagram, then this is the time and this is the consumption. Consumption of what? Natural resource. So this is the line, horizontal line, dash line. Then if you see this line, this is the optimal consumption of any natural resource in any ecosystem. But population growth, if it is occurring and it is crossing this line beyond this, and again if the population is declining here, and if the resource is up to this level, then this is called this is called degraded carrying capacity, and this is the overshoot. Here it is the overshoot. I have not written on this part, but here it is. I am telling to you. This is the. I think the cursor is visible to you or not? Mouse.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. So if this is the area which is called overshoot, while this part, because the population has declined, suppose that our consumers have declined here of the natural resource, any natural resource, then what is happening means the degraded capacity means the carrying capacity, suppose that 100, only it is being utilized by 25%. So this is the one aspect of the carrying capacity to explain. Number two, this is the year, this is the time. Here again, million of tons, the different types of the, you can say, the biota. And if you like, if you would like to explain, you can explain what is the change. Means the change in the DA, okay, and H. H is slightly increased. Human population is slightly increased here. Wild animal has decreased drastically, and then the terrestrial animal is significantly increased. So the pattern of the biota has been changed, and what is the repercussion of it? What is the effect? Only the population or numbers are not important. Apart from that, it is also important which type of biota is there to consume the natural resource. Number is important, but not only number. Apart type of the biota, type means different types, nature of the biota. ऐसा नहीं है जैसे suppose that the human population is only increasing and other rest of the species or animals, they are decreasing. So what will happen? There will be disbalance. Something will be more surplus, something will be less. So if, therefore, we are much more worried about the extinction, loss of species, loss of particular biota, and we say that our ecosystem is not healthy. And the you can say the carrying capacity which is affected largely at the global level of any ecosystem by the following. What are that? Suppose a flooding, global warming, desertification, loss of biodiversity. All these are, you can say, responsible for influencing the carrying capacity, and which is ultimately will lead towards the poor development, or you can say the unsustainable development. So is there any doubt related to this, to anyone? Anyone?
No, sir.
No. Suppose that I am giving you the assignment that you estimate the carrying capacity of MNIT Allahabad. Then what you will do? Tell me. Anyone? Anyone?
So we will check how much it should be and how much it is.
What is how much? What is how much and how should be? What is how
So
you will do? How you will proceed? Suppose that your domain is MNIT Allahabad, and I ask you to estimate the carrying capacity of MNIT. Then how you will think? What you will do?
So first of all, we'll try to set the parameters that what resources
Very
are we
good.
going to compare.
Very good. Like
Like the availability of internet connection, then availability of other resources. So we'll try to first list out those parameters, and after that we'll do a survey kind of thing that what availability who is having,
yeah,
and
yeah.
then accordingly we'll proceed.
That is one aspect, Ista. But the second is you will just assess the entire, you can say, MNIT parameter wise. Suppose that rooms, how many rooms are there? What is the capacity of the rooms? How many students are there to be accommodated in that room? So all these, what is the, you can say, the arrangement of the lights, fan, air conditioner, whatever, if it is required, if it is required or not, if the density of the lights or switches or whatever is very high in the certain area it is less. So that's why all these things which we are going to use as a stakeholders. So MNIT will be as a ecosystem. We will consider one unit, and we will then segment, or sorry, consider different types of the, you can say, the resources, whether it is and then we will come out also the ambient resource like trees, plants, and how much oxygen we can get out of it, how much consumption we are having in the campus. So all these we will be, you can say, assessing like that. So yes, ISTA has a right approach, but someone may add something more. Anyone? Anyone? Why you are not keeping? Sorry, why you are not discussing, interacting? Okay, no problem. Let me share one, you can say, the another diagram. Then I will. These things, and here. Just I am sharing it. Let me do this. It is visible to you people.
Yes, sir.
So on the y-axis, it is a resource in the ecosystem, and this is on x-axis. It is, you can say, the time over the period, and it is projected that how the resources can be consumed. And if it is the less developed countries, if you look towards the least developed countries, then what is happening? If you here it is, the gap is very less, but here if you see, the gap is more and more over the period. What is the reason? Because due to the कौन लिख रहा है मैं आ गया गेस्ट लॉबी में, परमिशन दीजिए। इतना देर में क्यों आते हो भाई? So this is one aspect that why the difference between these two types of the, you can say, domain or the countries, because the urbanization and the consumptions of the natural resources, the pattern rather of the consumption of the natural resources are very different. And therefore, what is going to happen if some country is deprived of the privilege or the deprived of the natural resources and they are importing, they will use less. But on other hand, the country which is having the surplus natural resource of any kind, they will use without much more regulation. That is the problem. And therefore this global level or at global level natural imbalance is occurring. What has to be there? The regulation should be there right from the beginning. Either you are having the surplus natural resource or you have marginal natural resource. किसी भी केस में ऐसा नहीं कि surplus है then you consume as and wish as you wish. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Therefore, this you can say the gap is occurring, and this needs to be addressed on urgently. And therefore, we can achieve the real sense of the sustainable development and carrying capacity based sustainable development. And carrying capacity based development is, suppose that I cite example of Tehri Garhwal and the entire Himalayan region, then I think you will be very much in comfortable position to understand what is happening in the Himalayan region. What is the threat to the carrying capacity of the Himalaya? Anyone? What are the, you can list down that what are the important factors or the, you can say, the projects or the, you can say, the works which are going on which is hampering or you can say affecting the carrying capacity of the Himalayan region. Anyone?
So they are living at the mountains, so they are having less resources as well as.
No, I am asking the different question. I am asking carrying capacity of Himalayan region, how that carrying capacity is being affected. Even the natural resource is huge, population is less, but what are the factors which are affecting the carrying capacity of the natural resources or natural bodies? Whatever you think, what are the parameters?
Sir, world's highest bridge was made recently in Himalayas.
Very good.
Sir, that can affect.
Only saying these things will not suffice. Means the number of tunnels, bridges, dams, during this construction of these things, many things are destroyed. And what is happening, we have to look whether we have lost the carrying capacity after construction of the very long roads or the, you can say, the metal road in the interior area of the Himalayan region also, or not. We have to ensure. It is not always truth that unidirectional approach should be there, that yes, just we can dictate or we can say that yes, there is a problem in Himalayan region. No, we have to assess, quantify that, and we must have proof for it that yes, there is a problem. Otherwise, nobody will believe us. So in Himalayan region, carrying capacity बहुत अच्छी थी Himalayan region की. Very good carrying capacity of Himalayan region, but over the periods, what is happening? जैसे glacial melt होना है, carrying capacity क्या होगी, उससे क्या दिक्कत होगी, किसकी carrying capacity affect होगी?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, someone is removing me, sir. Again and again.
But you are speaking to me. I am listening. You please speak. Still, whatever I am, what I have asked, just what is the question?
Sir, I told you, sir, someone is removing, sir.
Yeah, I am asking the question to you. What I have just taught.
Sir, just change the setting, sir.
I am asking you what just I have taught. I have put one question. May you reply that?
No, sir.
Then you are busy in this only. So if you are not able to listen, just only ask that someone is removing and all that. Sometimes you are stayed, na? So you are
No,
replying.
sir. सर रिप्लाई कैसे दे सर जब क्वेश्चन ही नहीं सुने तो?
अभी फिर से मैं बता रहा हूँ क्या पढ़ा रहा हूँ, मैं पूछ तो रहा हूँ,
लेकिन सर बीच में
थोड़ी
सर
रिमूव किया आप।
सर तो ऐसा दिक्कत हो जाती है सर।
संतोष कुमार जी, आप शुरू में लिस्ट में थे, आपको रिमूव नहीं किया, मैं देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पे। आपसे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि आज क्या पढ़ा रहा हूँ, बताइए बताइए। आप यहीं पे हैं, आपको कहीं नहीं, आप फिर अपने आप लीव कर रहे हैं या आपको हटाया जा रहा है? So the problem is related to the, you can say, the carrying capacity of any ecosystem. Suppose that if I ask you to explain the carrying capacity of river Ganga over the period, how you will explain it? Anyone? Sachin?
Sir, carrying capacity of river Ganga?
Yeah. Sachin? Sachin? अब बताइए, अब कहेंगे हमको रिमूव कर रहा है। सचिन इज हियर कनेक्टेड, अब बोल नहीं रहे, कोई रिमूव नहीं किया है, इसको कौन सी प्रॉब्लम कहेंगे? विच टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इज? कहेंगे नेटवर्क नहीं है और कनेक्टेड भी है। अदिति?
Sir,
Yes,
there is actually depositing so many sediments under the Ganga rivers.
Who is telling? अच्छा, Navadu Narayan Rao. Tell.
Sir, I mean so many.
Aditi?
Carrying capacity.
yes, sir. So,
Aditi Verma या Aditi Khare? Anyone? कोई बताओ। Carrying capacity, if you have to comment on the carrying capacity of river Ganga, how you will comment?
So due to the increase in pollution and other.
तुमको कोई म्यूट कर रहा है क्या अदिति?
मूव भी कर दे रहे हैं बार बार कोई।
ओके ओके ओके।
सर कोई बाहर का आ गया सर, मीटिंग में बता रहे हैं कोई बाहर का है, वो सब कर रहा है सर।
अच्छा, मीटिंग रुको, मुझे मीटिंग लीव करने दो, मैं सेटिंग में चेंज करके फिर आता हूँ, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
ठीक है, गिव मी 5 minutes। ओके।